So in this video today we are going to discuss some extra lookup functions. So in the sheet number 3 I am renaming it as XLOOKUP function, and in the VLOOKUP function we have a table array. I'm just taking this table array control plus A, control plus C, and the lookup function I'm just pasting this table array data. Now, with the help of this table array, we are going to find out the insights with the help of XLOOKUP formula. So here I am adding XLOOKUP. So I am increasing the size over here, and here I am taking these headings. I will find out the product category. I will find out the quantity. I will find out the price. Alright. So I am going to take some random IDs over here, some mixture of IDs over here, like 1120, 111, 1111, 11115, 11107, 11109, 11110, 11116, 11118, and 11119. Alright. So these are the mixture of IDs I have taken over here, and here I will take 1123 and 1125 also. Alright. So now I want to find out the product category, quantity in units, and price in rupees. All these like particular product category values I want to find out with the help of XLOOKUP formula. So here what I will do, I'll keep this inside the border. Alright, and here I will keep my cursor in the C column, and 34th row, that is C34 cell, is equal to XLOOKUP open bracket. Now they are asking me the lookup value, so the lookup value will be 110, the same product ID. So here I'll keep my cursor on B34, comma. Now they are asking me lookup array. It means lookup array means like where these product IDs are given in the array table. So I need to select these product IDs, whole product IDs I need to select over here. Alright, comma. Now they are asking me return array. In return, with the help of these lookup array, in return which values I want to find out. I want to find out product category. So now what I will do, I'll keep my cursor in the C column, that is C2, and I'll select the product category from the table. I don't need to select the complete table array or complete Excel data. Comma, now they are asking me, that's it. I'll close my bracket, press enter, see the product category I'll get over here, that is non-dairy product. Now I will cross verify whether the product ID 1120, the product category is non-dairy product or not. So I'll see for 110 to 1120 it is non-dairy product. So I will highlight this with yellow color. It means that whatever XLOOKUP formula I have entered over here, it is exactly true. I will drag it down, and you will see for rest of the product IDs, I'll get my product category in a simpler way. That's why These days, instead of XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP, we are using and we are preferably using XLOOKUP formula, because with the help of XLOOKUP formula you can find out the values in vertical manner also and in horizontal manner also. So let's try find out the quantity. See, the quantity is not coming like this. Because why? Because the return array is not right. The lookup array is also not right, and also the return array is also not right. Alright, so what I will do over here is equal to x lookup, open bracket. Now the lookup functions will be lookup function. They are asking me lookup value, so the lookup value will be this product ID, comma lookup array will be that particular table in the whole array, whole Excel data in which my product IDs are lying. So in the first column my product IDs are there, comma return array. So with the help of lookup array, what exactly I wanted in return? I wanted in return quantity. So I'll select the quantity column only in the return array and just close the bracket and press enter. So you will see for 1120 my quantity will be 52. Now I'll cross verify, like 1120 my product quantity is 52. So I'll highlight it like this. Alright, so it means that whatever formula I have entered in the quantity column, that formula is exactly true. I'll drag it down and you will see the whole for rest of the product IDs my values will be calculated. Now here, in order to calculate the price, I'm giving you this as a homework, so you need to find out these prices at your own. Alright, so I'm keeping this inside in center alignment. Alright, like this. Now in the next sheet we are going to start with the index function. So in the index function what we are going to do is, let me show you the index function and its related terms is equal to index, open bracket, it is asking me the array and the row number and column number. So it means that basically we have to make a Excel data over here like this, product IDs, and here I'm adding product names. Okay, product IDs will be 1120, 1145, 11178, 1190, 56, 11160, like this. Okay, and product names I'm adding over here like washing machine. Then we have smartwatch. Then we have Nokia mobile. Then we have Samsung mobile. Then we have Samsung LED TV. And we have LG air conditioner. Alright. Now on the basis of this small Excel data, I'm keeping it around the border and with the center alignment. And here, what I will do, in order to calculate the insights, I'll make two columns, and here I will write down column, and column number will be here will be 2nd, and the row will be 4. Alright. Now with the help of this column and row, I am going to calculate my index formula. Is equal to index open bracket. Now I need to select this complete array. I will select this complete array like this. Now they are asking me row number. So my row number will be this, comma, column number will be this. Bracket close. So as per the second row, second column and fourth row, I'll get the inside with the help of index formula. Enter. So see in the second column, in the fourth row, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have Nokia mobile. Alright. So now as I get the Nokia mobile over here, now I can change the row number. I can change the row number to third. When I change the row number to third and press enter, you will get the smartwatch. Alright. And if I change the column number like 1, enter, so you will get the product ID in the third row, that is 1145. Alright guys, so this is the benefit of using the index formula, index function. So you know, whatever, like whether you have created a large amount of data or whether you have created a small amount of data, you can with the help of column and row, like if you have written down the column number and the row number, and when you are applying the index function, then with the help of that respective column and row, you have to select the cell number of the column number and row number, and with the help of index formula you will get the result. If I change over a second column, you will get smartwatch. If I change row number over here like fifth, you will get the Samsung mobile. If I change the row number to 7, so here, if I change the row number to 7, you will get the LG air conditioner. Alright, so this is the benefit of using the index formula. So I hope you have understood the XLOOKUP function and the index function. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.